Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to show you something really useful, how to add an extra clock to your Windows 11 taskbar so you can keep track of multiple time zones. Maybe you have family abroad, maybe you work with people in another country, or maybe you just love staying organized. Whatever your reason, this feature is incredibly simple and you can set it up in just a moment. So let's walk through it nice and easy. All right, let's begin. First, go down to your taskbar and look for the time. You know, the usual one at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and right-click on it. Perfect. Now select Adjust Date and Time. This will open up your date and time settings window. Once the settings page loads, scroll down slowly until you see an option that says Show Time and Date in the System tray. When you see it, just click on it gently. It will expand and give you more options to work with. Here we are. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice options labeled Additional Clock 1 and Additional Clock 2. This means Windows actually allows you to add 2 extra clocks alongside your local one. But for today's tutorial, we're keeping things simple. We'll just add 1. So go ahead and click the Change button under Additional Clock 1. A small window will pop up titled Additional Clock 1. Take a moment to let it load. In this window, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose the time zone you want. I'm going to scroll through mine and pick Canada Central Standard Time. There it is, and I'll select it. Beautiful. Next, let's give this clock a name. Something simple and clear. I'll type Canada Time. This part is really helpful if you're keeping track of different countries or coordinating with friends, family, or coworkers across the globe. Once you've chosen a time zone and given it a display name, just click Change to apply it. And that's it. You've added your extra clock. Now here comes the fun part, the result. When you hover your mouse over the time on your taskbar, Windows will now show your local time plus the new clock you just added. Very cool. And even when you open the calendar inside the notification center, the added time zone shows up clearly. Everything stays in sync. Everything just works. It's such a simple upgrade, but honestly, it can make your day-to-day time management so much easier, especially if you coordinate across different time zones. And if you ever decide you don't need that clock anymore, no problem. Just click the 3 dots next to it and hit Reset. Windows will remove all the settings for Additional Clock 1, and your taskbar goes back to normal. That's all there is to it. A clean, simple way to manage your time better right from your Windows 11 taskbar. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. I'll see you in the next one.